Good morning. This is the view. It looks really nice outside again. Oh my god. I'm actually shattered. We're gonna go down and have breakfast in like half an hour. No. And then I don't know. No idea. We are gonna head out for breakfast now. Should we go do our little fit of the day?
Pizza pie, pizza.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Breakfast this morning, I've got apple, pan chocolate, croissant banana. I've got pancakes, bread and cheese balls. We've come back to the splash park this morning, and then at 2 o'clock we're going to the beach. Noah's playing football now.
Mummy, I hold the digital camera.
Okay.
Because I want to talk to you. I want to.
Not that. Not that. There you go.
I like to go to the swimming pool. Mummy, here.
Cheese. Cheese. Didn't know what I wanted, so I just went for a bit of everything actually. Noah's got pasta, chicken croquettes, so I just told him it's chicken nuggets.
Cucumber.
And cucumber. Cheese. Yeah, it's a feast. You don't want to talk? Go on then. Go.
Why?
Go on then. Let's go for a wee in the sea. My puppy's got wet. Say cheese. Give me
Cheese.
cheese.
Oh man, this is me too. Okay, this is the big one. Okay, maybe one.
And shortly after arriving to the beach, Noah had a rash on his leg, so he kicked off. But I've taken his pants off now, and he's just walking around in boxers. But we're just going to have a little wander because the beach is a write-off. It's lovely, it looks lovely. The weather's picked up now. But oh, it's a bit awkward filming, isn't it? It looks really pretty. What are you doing?
I'm doing the
No.
frisbee.
No.
Why?
It's disgusting. I can't believe what I've just done. I've just done a whole video of me talking and it didn't even save. Basically, I was saying I'm enjoying soaking in the last few minutes of holiday before I go back to work in reality. But I almost wish I'd booked 7 days rather than 4. Don't feel like it's enough. But yeah, had a little bit of a mare. Noah thought that he was brave and he could stand on the balcony chair naked and say hello to his friends whilst I was in the shower. I need to pack the bags tonight as well. Sad. Last evening. Right, let's do our outfit outfit for the night. What's that next to Mum? Leave it alone. Leave it alone. What's that next to
Go away, pigeon!
We've got pizza and I've got Caesar salad, but that other pizza is mine. But the Caesar salad I could not resist. Stay face.
Bueno, a ver, let's go.